Welcome to Lakshmi Bee. Mother-daughter duo on a mission to help heal the planet and people through our sustainable creations and a purpose-driven lifestyle.
Together we create sustainable, one-of-a-kind couture, art and home decor collections.
We devote many hours and months infusing each piece with elegance, luxury and style inspired across multiple eras. Building beauty from ashes in a celebration of God's living creation, as well as our own multicultural heritage.
Uniting Eastern and Western heritage, we are a family of Australian, South Indian, British and Western European origin, with a generational history of fabric production, art, retail and real estate.
Having a natural flair for the arts and entrepreneurship from very early ages, we first began working together, creating custom clothing and art projects, before going on to create pieces for school competitions, community programs, and church productions.
This then led us into exhibitions, special events, and runway shows.
Our work is a visual reflection of our dreams, mission, and life's purpose. Every detail holds importance, combining pre-existing items, fabric offcuts and remnants, collected from different eras and sourced from around the world, bringing past, present and future together.
These statement pieces share stories and illustrate the beauty that can be created from discarded parts put together. Something truly amazing.
We want to share our love for the arts and personal development to inspire and encourage you to live an enriched life.
As global caretakers, we all have a shared responsibility to respect ourselves, the environment, the people around us, animals, and all living beings with which we share this planet.
Rethinking the way we live, what we do, and what we wear. Investing in quality pieces that last, while finding creative ways to reduce waste and reuse items we already have at home. These are just some of the many ways we can all help today to prepare a better world for ourselves and the generations to come.
So, join us on this journey in making a global difference
and becoming the great person you were created to be.